Hello everyone, this is Manish here from Automation Code Lab. So today we are going to take various concepts in Python. So guys, next what we are going to understand is arrays, NumPy and Pandas. Just a overview of it. So what exactly are arrays, guys? Over here you can see in Python arrays are represented using lists. So lists are versatile and it can hold any type of data. So in this program, what are we seeing? An array of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is that is what we have defined and we are printing using the print statement. And NumPy is a powerful library in Python which is used for the numeric operation. So it performs large multi-dimension arrays and matrices to perform all these mathematical calculations to perform on these arrays. So in my given program that you can see, what are we doing is we are creating from the numpy array 1, 2, 3, 4 using np.array and assigning to the variable numpy.array, and we are printing that array using numpy array using the print command to print the numpy array value. And in pandas is a popular library for use for the data manipulation. And let's say you read the data also into data frames and series, so it is used for that. Okay, so in the program you can see a dictionary data that contains names, names and ages, and the dictionary is then used to create a panda data frame df, as you can see, using the pd.data frame. The data frame is then printed. Okay, we'll see the respective outcome over here, as you can see in my current program. Okay, as you can see, the first one, for the array that we printed, this is the array and this is the numpy arrays, and this is the data frame over here. Okay, so these are the just high level concept for the arrays, numpy and the pandas. Guys, now let us understand few concepts that we have in Python. Okay, first is the list comprehension that we have. So what exactly is list comprehension, guys? So list comprehension provides a concise ways to create lists, so that they allow you to generate lists using a single line of code. Okay, for example, as you can see, this is an list numbers that we have, and we need to convert this um, I need to convert a list which has the square of these numbers. Okay, so we can directly use the list comprehension. How? X star star 2 for x in numbers. So that is how we do. So this is what we are looking out, and it will iterate for all the values in the numbers. So this is in case if I go ahead and print this, if you'll see in my respective console, you can see the original numbers as 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the list of squares as 1, 4, 9, 16, 21. So list comprehension is basically used to create a new list from the existing list. So that is how we write. Okay, now talking about the lambda function, guys. So now what exactly is the lambda functions? So lambda function is basically used to perform various operations at shorthand. For example, in this case, we are saying that lambda x is x square. So whatever x value that I'll give, it will return the x square value. So in this case, if I just execute, it will give us what? It will give us 25, because 5 square is 25, as you can see. And then second thing is a join method. So join method is used to join two strings. So for example, here you can see words and hello, words which contains list of two string, hello and words. So using join, we can concatenate basically the respective strings. Okay, and this is what it is going to show you. And filter is going to filter the respective results over here. So for example, what I'm saying is basically to find out a number which is going to be divisible by 2. As you can see, x mod 2 is equal to 0. So this is going to, so what I'm saying is, first, if we try to understand what I'm expecting a list as an outcome, and what do I need to do? I'm filtering that with a lambda x value, which value should be divisible by 2 from the numbers. So that is what we are saying. A numbers you have different given 1 to 5. So this will go ahead and print the numbers which are divisible by 2 to be precise. So in this case, it is 2 and 4 are divisible. So that is the reason you see the output as 2 and 4. Now what is format? Format is just going to go ahead and format the data in between. For example, if you can see for the name, age in between, if I want to print, so I can go ahead and use a format for given respective information over here for my respective message. So that is what format is going to do. It is just going to basically help you printing your respective data in a certain format. Okay. Now talking about the map function. Now what does map function basically do, guys? So when I talk about map function, so map function is used to basically map the respective elements over here. So as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what I'm saying is that I need a list which I'm going to map the square of it. So this is going to convert or map those numbers to the square of those numbers. So it is going to give the square of these numbers over here. If you execute, you can see it is going to give you the map. So converting or mapping the respective elements to it. Okay. Now what is reduce, guys? So reduce, what exactly is used? To reduce is to reduce the sequences that we want. So example, what I'm saying is I want to reduce x, y such that x plus y that I need to give on. So I'm going to give all the numbers and it should give x plus y. So it will keep on x1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. So basically you will get 15. So that is what the sum of the number that I'm saying. So this is why reduce is used. So reduce is going to reduce the respective sequences that we give. So these are the few functions that we or few implementation that we have in Python, guys. Okay. So I think that's it for the today's session, guys. I hope this was quite fruitful. See you in the further session. And if you really like the video, please go ahead to subscribe my channel and like the video, share it with your friends, and please comment for any doubts or topics that you want me to cover. Thank you. Have a great day ahead. Bye.